Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an updated eyebrow tutorial. But before I get into the video, I need you guys to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. And also comment below what other videos you guys would like to see me do. So, you guys, do not mind my face. It's breaking out. I don't know what's going on. But I've been trying this stuff right here. Right here. Focus. Right here, Beauty Collagen, and it's for like your hair, skin, nails, all that good stuff. And every time I drink it, my skin just breaks out, and I don't know if it's breaking out because it's getting all of the impurities out of my skin, and then it's gonna clear up. Because I tried this before, and the first couple days, like, my skin broke out, and then after, my skin just cleared up right there. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow is in the color Ebony. There's a spoolie on the end, and then on the other side, it has the brow product. So I've been lately just using one brow product instead of multiple brow products, and then I use some concealer of my choice. So normally this is how my eyebrows look. So we're gonna get started. I'm gonna be looking down because the mirror is right here, and also if I look to the side, it's gonna looking in my view or at my monitor to make sure I'm in focus. So let's get started. So I usually just brush upwards. Don't mind my brows because they're not shaped or anything, because I'm really letting them grow. And then I will find someone to shape them how I want them. But I've been letting them grow all year. Yeah, I've really been liking a solid kind of blown out feathered look. So it's real simple. All I do is underline the bottom, and I kind of follow my natural brow. Right now you can't really tell, but I know the natural shape of my brow. So I just follow that natural line. Like that. It should look like that. And then we'll do that on the other side. Now, don't worry if it like doesn't look the same. This looks a little more arched, so I'm kind of gonna fix that. Okay, so then I take it and then I just lightly feather up in the front. And follow the natural way my hair is going. So it looks really harsh right now. but we're gonna buff it out with our spoolie. So I won't look at this harsh. You really want to take your time and not like see, this one looks way better than this one. But it's okay because we're gonna fix this one. Nothing really wrong with it, so, and we are just going to go in so we're just gonna lean underneath that brow. And then we're gonna go on the other side. Blend that out. Make sure it's blended out really good. I forgot to brush it. Before you put the concealer on, you kind of want to just brush upwards like this, especially in the corner, to fade and blend it in. Because it will be kind of harsh. See, that looks a lot better. Lightly. There we go. Like that. stay tuned for more. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and please comment below what other videos you would like to see me do. And stay tuned for more videos because I do have more videos in store for you guys.